What's a Robin Darjeeling?
Does it talk?
No. Hadn't talked yet.
Thought all birds talk.
Yep. So did I.
Wanna go shoot some pool?
What is this? It's a Robin Darjeeling.
Oh yeah?
Is that a tattoo?
Yeah.
Caution.
Caution. Yeah.
Caution.
Yeah.
Cool.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
Where'd you get a Robin Darjeeling?
What do you mean?
Well, they're from the Galapagos.
How do you know that?
Darwin.
Yeah, here go. I'm MCMP, rapping straight out of NYC.
Nice, bro.
My name is Robin Darjeeling. I come from the Galapagos Islands. You have freed me from my curse. I owe you 1,000 women.
I set him free.